Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Everyone. So one of the things we're seeing in the marketplace very specifically is that the listing volume is actually coming down a little bit, and we're starting to see seasonal changes where the buyers are almost taking a vacation.
They are. Literally.
and that's
the buyers are on vacation.
We see these cycles every single year. I mean, we see it where the kids get out of school, people start their activities, the long weekend, so naturally we're going to see some buying traffic reduce down a lot more. So let's take a look at some of the hard numbers. The price of oil actually rallied a little bit, but these stats were pulled last Monday, so it's up from 2 weeks ago, but down slightly and down like 9 cents this morning, but sitting in that mid-40 range as well, 44.35. The Canadian dollar is one of the G10's strongest currencies right now. The Canadian dollar is on a rally because the Bank of Canada is expected to raise interest rates. And I know that a bunch of the mortgage lenders have announced the interest rate changes. The Canadian dollar is up from 75.36 to 77.67. One of the interesting things about this is, and probably not the best for the Canadian or for the Calgary economy, but overall, when the Bank of Canada says we're going to raise interest rates because they believe the economy is strong.
Absolutely.
So across Canada, we're doing well. Calgary, obviously, in your businesses, you don't necessarily want interest rates to go up, but it is the sign of a stabilizing economy.
Well, I think last month, 50,000 jobs were new jobs were created. 40,000 new jobs were created the month before that. So new job creation is a pretty key indicator for raising interest rates as well. Yeah. So stay tuned on Wednesday, because I think that's when the announcement's going to come from the bank.
Exactly. So in the short term, again, it's not great for your clients, but in the long term, for the economic stability of the country, we need to keep interest rates going up.
Yeah.
Cool.
Great. Okay. Looking at number of listings, again, seasonally, it makes sense that these are going to start going down over the summer months. Metro Calgary, 6,793, and Red Deer, 732.
As for the Calgary months of inventory, we have a balanced market still sitting at 3.36, but again, the listings came down, but so did the sales, and that's due to seasonal norms. Single-family homes sitting just on the verge of a seller's market. We just tipped over to 0.02 into a balanced market from a seller's market. That's at 2.52. And condos, obviously, is sitting in a buyer's market, 5.47 months of inventory.
Surrounding areas month of inventory, Okotoks, 3.39, Airdrie, 4.2, Cochrane, 3.75, Strathmore, 6, Sundre, 34.6, and Red Deer, 5.01. And the benchmark price has gone down to $441,500 versus the previous $443,800.
I just want to make a little subtext on your Sundre stat there. We actually modified it to include the CARA stats as well. So now the Sundre numbers actually include CREB and CARA. So as most of you know, or some of you know, is that some of Sundre falls in the Calgary Real Estate Board, some of Sundre falls in the Central Alberta Real Estate Board. So we've actually combined those numbers now. So on a go-forward basis, we're going to see more accurate numbers in Sundre because it's going to encompass all the listings.
Awesome.